Good morning, everyone. Welcome to 2021 RSH Digital PHNIX online showroom. This is Rachel.
This is Hank.
Welcome. So today we will introduce two kinds of PHNIX heat pumps, and one is PolarisPro and another is HeatMax. So let's begin the PolarisPro first.
Yes, let's go.
The PolarisPro is PHNIX inverter commercial heating and cooling and sanitary hot water heat pumps. So let's go to the first page. As you can see on this picture, there are 4 cabinets.
Yes.
There are totally 5 models for this series,
yeah.
And the smallest one is for 2 models.
Okay.
And let's go to, for the first part, product features. And we will introduce some product features about the PHNIX PolarisPro. First is the extremely wide operating range. As you can see on this picture, the heating operation range is from -36 to 48 degrees, and for cooling operation, the range is from 15 to 55 degrees. So the operation range is very widely, and the refrigerant is R14A. So for some customers in North European, it can also run well in the low ambient temperature.
Yes, correct.
So welcome the European customers ask us for information. And the next is the multiple system protections. For about the protections, we have high and low temperature protections, the inverter driving board protections, and the compressor operation envelope protection, and EVR exhausting protection. And also for the low ambient temperature, there is an anti-freeze system. Second is multiple noise reduction technologies. As you know, according to the current load and ambient temperature, the PHNIX heat pump noise can be reduced down mainly by stepless adjustment of fan motor and inverter compressor. So the operation noise could be reduced down to minimum 56 dB. So this noise for commercial heat pumps is really low, right?
Yeah, sure.
And the fourth features is inverter stepless capacity adjustment. As I mentioned on the last page, the stepless capacity regulation. No need to start the compressor frequently. Please see the picture. You can see that for on-off units, the lines are step by step.
Yes, correct.
It goes up, goes down fiercely.
Yes.
But for inverter units, it is a smooth curve.
Yeah.
It goes up, down slightly. So the stepless capacity adjustment is from 50% to 100%.
That's very good. This
picture just shows us directly what is the difference between on-off units and inverter units.
Yes.
And the fifth features is PHNIX inverter rapid heating. You know, Hank,
yes,
the customers always care about the heating time. When he turns on the heat pump, how long will it take to completely do the heating, right?
Yes, of course.
So on this picture, we show the heating time between on-off units and inverter units. And we can know that there is 20% reduction in heating time.
Yeah, that's a lot.
Yes. And the last features is the dual independent air chamber design. As we know, the larger models has 2 chambers.
2 chambers.
Yeah, so you can see on the picture, the cabinet, there are 2 chambers. So there are also 2 systems.
Yeah.
So the unit is designed with the independent air chambers for 2 systems.
Okay.
So that one system needs maintenance or need to be repaired, the normal operation of the other system is not affected. One is repairing and another is still working.
Still working. That's good.
So the heat pump won't stop.
Yes.
And let's go to the second part is the product functions. And the first function is the automatic regulation. Automatic load regulation technology through intelligent control ensures that the unit operates in the high efficiency zone of partial load, while reducing the full load usage time of mechanical moving parts such as compressors and extending the additional service life of the unit. So customers always care about the service life of heat pumps.
Yes, that's very important.
Yes, so don't worry, we have the automatic regulation to extend the service life of the unit. And the second function is that temperature control accurately. Compared with the fixed frequency, which is the on-off unit,
yes.
You can see on this picture, the temperature fluctuation is very big for on-off units. But for inverter units, you cannot see the difference clearly, right?
Right.
For this DC inverter units, the fluctuation of inverter units is very small.
It's very stable.
Yes. And the third one is the smart defrosting design. You know, in northern China and northern Europe and other countries, in winter season, the ambient temperature could
very
be
low,
yes,
very cold.
Yes. So there is always heavy snow
yes.
and heavy frost.
Yes.
So
correct.
when there are so much heavy snow and frost on the thin heat exchanger, our heat pumps will start to do the defrosting smartly.
Good.
Just like the picture said, one side is doing defrosting, however, the other side could still do the heating.
Still working.
Yes. So one side is finished for defrosting and it will start again. Then the other side will start to the defrosting. So the whole unit won't stop for working.
Okay, that's very important.
Yes, it works stably to provide heat and hot water to customers.
Yes.
And for the fourth is the central management control. As you know, in some project sites, there is not always one unit in one project, right?
Yes, dozens maybe sometimes.
Yes. For some projects, there may be more than 10 units, more than 20 units. So if one control display for one heat pump unit, the installers may check the control display one by one.
Yes.
There are so many units, then it's a waste of time.
Yeah, sure it is.
Yes. So with the central management control function, you can see on the picture, there are Unit 1, Unit 4, Unit 2, Unit 3, Unit 4 on one display.
Yes, I can see it.
So the installers can control 4 units in one display.
Okay.
They don't need to check one by one by one.
Yeah.
So this won't waste so much of the time.
Yeah, and it's very convenient.
Yet. So the 5 is communication functions. Customers always writing emails to us and ask that, hi Rachel, hi Hank,
yes.
Does PHNIX has Modbus or BMS function?
Yes, right.
So of course we have, but what's more, we have DTU. So Hank, please tell customers what is DTU.
DTU is the short length of a data transfer unit.
Yes. So with these functions, the project site doesn't need so much the wiring process.
Yeah.
If they want to check the operation condition of every unit, they just need to open a web page and log in. Then they can check every unit on the web page. They don't need to drive to the project site with several hours.
Yes.
And to check may just take 10 minutes to reset the parameters.
Yes.
And then go back to home for another several hours.
Yes.
So with DTU function, they just check the website and tell the engineers in the project site and reset the parameters on the web page.
Yes.
So this can reduce the cost of after-sales service.
Sure.
And for talking about so much about the features and the functions, let's talk about the technical points. Customers will want to know what kinds of compressors we use, what kinds of heat exchangers we use.
Yeah, sure.
So The first is about the compressors. For different models, we use Hitachi, Mitsubishi, Panasonic, Copeland, this famous compressor brand.
Okay.
And for this series, PolarisPro, we use EVI compressors. It has an ultra low temperature heating.
Okay.
That is why this series can work in low ambient temperature.
Yes, right.
And the second is the tubing shell heat exchanger. And this special construct design could increase the COP.
Okay.
And the three is the DC fan motor. This is the new DC fan motor design because the PHNIX engineers jointly developed this with the fan manufacturer.
Okay, great.
That shows the professional.
Yes.
And the fourth is the high efficiency inverter driving technology. As you know, the normal way to cool down the driving board is air cooled.
Yeah,
but
right.
for PHNIX products, the refrigerant inside of the copper tube go through the driving board and cool down the driving board.
It's very creative.
Yes. It's also efficiency.
Yes.
And the five is the heat exchanger, adapting to cover tube with internal thread. The heat transfer area of the fins is increased by 20%.
Yes.
And it's also the golden color.
Yeah.
It's a beautiful color, right?
Right.
And for talking about so much about product features, functions, and technical points. So let's show some applications because customers may want to know how can we use this heat pump.
Sure.
For this series, it's widely used in hotels, schools, hospitals, factories, those large buildings because it's a heat pump for commercial application.
Yes.
And you can see on this picture.
Okay. So Rachel, this brings me one question.
Yes.
So we can see there are three heat pumps.
Yeah.
So what if customer doesn't know how to connect the heat pumps with the terminals?
Yes, some customer it's the first time to purchase heat pump.
Yes, correct.
And they are not sure to how to connect the heat pump with water tanks and other terminals like fan coils, radiators, and underfloor heating pipes.
Yes.
What can PHNIX do is that we can provide the whole system design.
Okay.
We have the professional team. Just customers tell us what the information of the building, of the project, and we will make calculations. How many heat pumps you are, what's the model, what's the capacity, and how to connect it with a water tank and the terminals. That is PHNIX do.
Okay, that's really great.
Yes, that is the difference that PHNIX from other manufacturers.
Okay.
And let's show us customers some project
reference.
The real project.
Wow, that's a lot of heat pumps.
Yes.
Where it is?
It's in China, the Inner Mongolia. As you know, it's in the north of China.
Yes.
In winter season, the ambient temperature could be very low.
And the slowing,
yes. But PHNIX heat pump still working well, and we always receive good feedback from our customers. As you know, there are 58 units of inverter Polaris.
Yes, that's a lot.
Yes,
big project.
Yes, it's installed next to the building.
Okay.
And next is another project also located in China. There are 32 units of PolarisPro. As you can see, these pictures are very beautiful and professional.
Yes.
It's installed on the rooftop. And this whole system design is what PHNIX can do.
Okay.
We can provide the whole system design. And the customers may want to know the capacity of PHNIX PolarisPro.
Sure.
And there are 5 models at present. The smallest one is 37.2 kilowatts. And the largest one is 210 kilowatts. And for other detailed information, if you are interested in, please write us emails and ask us what information you want, and we will give you what you want.
Okay, great.
So this is the end of the product introduction of PolarisPro, and the next will be Hank for introducing the HeatMax. So let's go to the HeatMax.
Okay, thank you, Rachel. Thank you very much. So then move to the second part. We are going to talk about the HeatMax introduction, water source heat pump.
It's a water source.
Yes, water source. Okay, this series heat pump, water-to-water heat pump, HeatMax series, there are 3 models at present.
Yeah.
Look at the contents. Here are 6 points. Talk about the product features, product functions, technical points, specifications, project application. The last one is project reference. First, let's see the product features. Look at here. Here are 6 product features. Okay, the number 1, high outlet water temperature. The water temperature can up to 80 degrees, and you can enjoy the cold air for free, providing you with high temperature outlet water and simultaneously offers free cooling. Number 3, available for various applications. For example, work with existing water chillers for hot water and cooling, and work with existing cooling tower for factory hot water. High return on investment. Number 5, more reliable, durable and reliable of itself. The unit can run stably all year round without being affected by ambient temperature. The last one is compact design and flexible installation. The multi-connected heat exchanger design makes it so compact to adjust to various installation locations. You can see the refrigerant is R134A.
Yeah, these 6 features are very attractive.
Yeah.
So what about the functions?
Okay, let's look at the functions. Here are 10 functions to be listed. The first one is outlet water temperature overheating protection. Memory function, DTU, BMS, central control, data backup and recover functions, multiple anti-freezing protect function, greedy adaptation heating function, energy stage adjust function, inlet water temperature compensation function, multiple protect function. The last one is evaporator side and condenser side, inlet and outlet excessive water temperature protection.
So when the outlet water temperature is too high,
yes,
the heat pump will start the protection.
Yes, of course.
That's good. So what is this, Hank?
Yes, this DTU remote control. DTU remote monitoring and control, real-time checking, and control of equipment operation. The equipment is ready to use when connected to the power supply. No need Wi-Fi, and no need for complicated wiring process. The web page allows to check the operation of the equipment on your account and perform remote control operations. It's also available for motherboards.
So this
BMS function.
So this function also reduces the cost of the installation cost.
Yes, sure it is.
That's good.
Please look at this one.
What is this?
Yes, here in the picture it shows 4 units heat pump. Sure, these 4 units are air source heat pump, but it stands for water source heat pump. You can see here are 4 units heat pumps connected. It was controlled by one PHNIX colorful display.
That's good.
Yes.
That's very convenient
yes.
for installers.
Yes.
So show us some technical points.
Okay. So this series heat pump are using the copper length ZW compressor from Amazon, ultra high energy efficiency, energy efficiency is 12% higher than the most advanced piston compressor in the market. Low noise, small vibration of the whole machine. Crankshaft heating belt to avoid oil accumulation.
Copeland is a professional compressor brand, right?
Yes, yes, we are using the best one.
Yes.
Okay, here we are using the PHNIX patented CMS heat exchanger, copper tool with internal thread and external fins. The heat exchange area is 3.7 times that of ordinary smooth tube. Water flows inside the tube and flowing flows outside the tube. Counter current heat exchange to ensure supercooling of the refrigerant outlet. You can look at the right side. This is the diagram of the copper tube interior section.
Yes.
The gap between the refrigerant circuit and the shell is small, and the heat exchange efficiency is high.
That's good. What about next?
Yes, this picture shows we are using the Shanghua electronic expansion valve with precisely control. The right side is we are using the Weikai high and low pressure gauge.
What about the specifications?
Yes, let's move on.
There are 3 models.
Yes, currently we got 3 models for water source heat pump. The heating capacity from 34 kilowatt to 137 kilowatt. Max outlet water temperature up to 80 degree. There are 2 options of the cabinet. The one is galvanized metal. The other one is stainless steel cabinet.
Yes, for the seaside cities, the stainless steel cabinet is necessary.
Yes, it can avoid corrosion.
Yes.
Yes. So this series is using R1348 refrigerant and also using PHNIX 2 in-cell heat exchanger.
That's good.
So we are going to, yes,
how
project.
Customers can use this heat pump.
Yes, I'm going to show you. Look here.
What are these?
This is the 2 kind of project application. You look at the left side. Here are 2 units water source heat pump combined with 2 units water chiller.
Yeah.
For you can see the hot water tank supply the hot water, while the chill water tank can supply to the product cooling, fermentation tank cooling, space cooling. On the right side, 3 units of water source heat pump connect to the hot water tank, while the evaporator side connect to the cooling tower. There are more applications. For example, machine washing and cleaning, product heating, washing machine parts, food process plant, meat plant, beverage plant, and hotels, hospitals, and so on.
So it's a wide application.
Yes.
So these 2 pictures are from PHNIX, right?
Yes, it's from our engineer.
Yes, so
Yes.
we can do the design for the whole system.
Yes.
Air source heat pumps and water source heat pumps can be combined in one system.
Yes. So,
That's good.
yeah.
So show some project
Reference.
reference for us.
Okay.
We need to see some pictures.
Okay, you can see the first one is wastewater treatment, 3 units 500S. This project is in China. The second one is industrial hot water, 6 units 250s. This application is in Nissan car factory in Chennai, India. The third one is industrial hot water, 4 units 500S is used in Toyota car factory in Bangalore, India. Look at this fancy picture. This is used for the commercial hot water. 4 units 500S is applied in the luxury hotel in wetland. You can see the Krita wastewater treatment the project was in Singapore and Japan. The last one is wastewater treatment. 3 units, 250, when the 1 unit 125. This project is in Singapore.
So the Krita is a professional global group.
Yes, right.
For wastewater treatment.
Yes.
And we've cooperated with each other for several years.
Yes.
And also for these different pictures in different countries, they purchase different models according to the different project information, right?
Yes.
We can make the model selection for customers.
Sure, it is.
And make the calculations and providing the system designing.
Yes.
Yes. So that's our advantage.
Yes, correct.
So what about this?
Yeah, this one.
These are the new pictures, right?
Yes, this new picture just from last year 2020 to this year 2021.
Yes.
Look at the left side picture. This is for the district heating and wastewater treatment cooling. 7 units, 250s. This project is in Lithuania, and just days ago, this project began the commissioning.
Yes, they are installed in Lithuania.
Yes, correct.
And received a good feedback from this customer.
Yes.
But this picture is in PHNIX factory, the production line, right?
Yes.
And when they are finished and are ready to be shipped to Lithuania.
Yeah.
So what about the right side picture?
Right side picture. This is for the hot water application. This secret customer order full range of water source pump applied to Middle East market. And
this is a secret customer.
Yes, secret
customer. We can't
tell
the name of this customer, but
sure we can.
It's famous, right?
Yes, and there will be more. There are more application and project reference.
Yes.
We are not showing here, but if you want more, we will show you, and we will send in the website and the LinkedIn.
Yes, we cooperated with this customer from last year, 2020.
Yes, 2020.
Yes.
And now the new order is coming again.
Yes, that's good to hear.
So there will be more and more project reference.
Yes. And after that, if you want to see more applications, the project references pictures, you can check our PHNIX LinkedIn and our personal LinkedIn. You can check the project references updated on the LinkedIn pages. So this is the end of the introduction from Rachel and Hank. If you are interested in the PolarisPro air source water heat pump, heating, cooling, sanitary hot water for commercial application, and also you are interested in the HeatMax
water source heat pump.
Yes, high temperature can be up to 80 degrees.
Yes.
If you are interested in these two kinds of heat pumps, please write us emails and ask the information. Also, if you are interested in other PHNIX heat pumps, about swimming pool heat pumps, house heating heat pumps, and all-in-one heat pumps, you can also send us emails and check our website for more information.
Yes.
Then you can leave your message on the website, and we will receive this message and give you feedback as soon as possible.
Yeah, if you got any questions, you can send a message in the chat box.
Yes, you can leave your message on the RSH chat box, and we will answer you and contact you.
Yes.
So, thanks for attending and watching our online show. This is Rachel.
This is Hank.
Bye. Have a good day.
Thank you very much. See you.
See you.